Guten Morgen. Na, das ist ein kurzes Film über ein Belt Replacement on the Helicopter. Ich habe beobachtet, und entschuldigen mich, dass ich Deutsch spreche, aber ich kann sprechen viele languages, viele Sprachen. So, anyway, I haven't ordered any parts in a long time, but when I was looking at my small heli, I noticed that the drive belt here, I don't know if you can see it, but has cracks. You can probably see it right there. So it has some cracks. You know, this heli has probably, I don't know, 4 years, probably has 100 flights on it. So I decided to change the belt. My friend Ray mentioned in his video, I think, that every season he does basic maintenance and, among other things, changes belts on his helis. So I purchased a new belt and I'm going to replace it. I'm going to throw away the old belt. Because, you know, a belt is very important. I mean, if the belt went, it would be like Black Hawk Down. The heli would just spin. Maybe I could land it somehow, but probably not. It would cost a lot more than a, I don't know, $6 belt or $8 or whatever it was. You know? So it should be a fairly easy project. I have to unscrew here. Yeah, it's a good hour project, but and one has to pay attention that the belt is put in the right direction. But that's very easy. For someone who's new to the hobby, that can be very easy to screw this up and do this the opposite way. Okay. But that's a very nice heli. Blade 450. Very agile.